Animals. Pets. This is a dog. A cat. A rabbit. A turtle. A hamster. A parrot. Farm animals. A cow. A pig. A sheep. A chicken. Wild animals. An elephant. A tiger. A zebra. A penguin. An ostrich. A kangaroo. A giraffe. Sea animals. A dolphin. An octopus. A whale. A shark. Animal parts. These are stripes. These are spots. This is a tail. This is a shell. These are fins. These are wings. These are feathers. What animal am I? I am very big and heavy. I am gray. I have big ears and I am a wild animal. Do you know what animal I am? I am an elephant. I am black and white. I have wings, but I can't fly. I live in cold places. Do you know what animal I am? I'm a penguin. I am yellow with brown spots. I have a long neck. I am the tallest animal. Do you know what animal I am? I'm a giraffe. I am green and have a shell. I move very slowly. Do you know what animal I am? I'm a turtle. I have fins. I am very smart. I have very small teeth and like to jump out of the water. Do you know what animal I am? I'm a dolphin. I've got very colorful feathers. I can talk. Do you know what animal I am? I'm a parrot. I am big and fat. I am pink. I've got a short tail and a big nose. Do you know what animal I am? I'm a pig. I am long and I have no legs. Many people are scared of me. Do you know what animal I am? I'm a snake. I live on a farm. I am black and white. People drink my milk and eat my meat. Do you know what animal I am? I'm a cow. I have a very long tail. I like to jump. I live in Australia. Do you know what animal I am? I'm a kangaroo.